What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the new Volvo EX90 electric SUV debut as a luxury 7-seat flagship. Now, following a lengthy teaser campaign, the Volvo EX90 makes its full debut as the brand's new flagship 3-row SUV, and it is based on a new architecture and has a fully electric powertrain. Now, the XC90's battery-powered brother is the first of many new electric Volvos to come from the Swedish company, promising to launch a new EV each year by the end of the decade, and it aims to sell only full electric vehicles around the globe. But for now, the EX90 is the new star of Volvo's model range. Now, shown for the first time in Stockholm, Sweden today, the electric SUV looks exactly like you would expect it from the brand. Modern, bold, refined, and a little edgy as Volvo continues to embrace the form follows function design philosophy. Now, to a certain extent, the EX90 looks similar to today's XC90, but there's a brand new platform underpinning the 7-seater. The focus on the tech side is on safety, and the automaker says that this is the safest Volvo ever produced, which can get smarter and safer over time thanks to the updates and new data. Now, there's a bulb that's on the roof right above the windscreen, and that is where the EX90 sensors, camera, and radars are integrated. Volvo says that these never get tired or distracted, and they're supported by high-performance core computers with in-house developed software. The entire system provides a constant 360-degree view of the world around the car and can even see small objects hundreds of meters ahead to give the driver more time to react and avoid them. The SUV is also Volvo's first model to be equipped from factory with all the necessary hardware for unsupervised driving in the future. Now, the EX90's huge dimensions leave enough room for Volvo to install a massive 111 kilowatt battery pack. Initially available will be the dual motor electric powertrain with 2 permanent magnet motors, one for each axle. And in the most powerful version of the family hauler, the peak output of the system is 496 horsepower, 370 kilowatts, and 671 pound-feet, 910 newton meters of instant torque. Now, Volvo promises an estimated range of 300 miles at a single charge, though that hasn't been certified by the EPA yet. There's also no information regarding the maximum charging power, but the company says it's getting the battery from 10 to 80% in the state of charge in about 30 minutes. And Volvo also proudly says that the EX90 is not just a new generation SUV, but rather a highly advanced computer on wheels that is more responsive and enjoyable than ever before. Now, the automaker has teamed up with Snapdragon to use the visualization capabilities of Unreal Engine, the same 3D tool developed by Epic Games that underpins some of the most advanced video games for computing power and screen graphics on board the EX90. Built-in Google features, including the Google Maps and other apps from Google Play, can be controlled from the 14.5-inch center screen. Standard 5G connection provides constant data flow for all applications running on the display, including music streaming services as well. And as standard is a phone key tech, which turns your smartphone into a car key. When you approach the car with the phone in your pocket, it will unlock automatically and will load your personal profile with preset seats, climate, and other settings. Now, the EX90 is also the first Volvo to be equipped with headrest integrated speakers as a part of the Bowers & Wilkins audio system. And the EX90 is now available for pre-order in the United States, but there's no detailed pricing information yet. But Volvo says that a well-equipped model will cost under $80,000 US. Now, the pre-orders will transform into configured orders in the fall of 2023, and the first deliveries are expected in nearly 2024. So with that said, what do you guys think about the new electric luxury SUV, the EX90 from Volvo? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the new Volvo EX90. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the one-time link donations down in the description below, where you guys can help support your boy a little bit more than you already are. You can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in the links, where you can get the new Ron's Rise winter hoodies, stickers, everything else Ron's Rise is there. And follow all my social medias down in the description below as well. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.